Hello, audience, and welcome to Dawn Times. So, today we will discuss GK MCQs for all competitive examinations in Pakistan. So, the first one is what unit of measurement is 1000th of a gram? So, the option is milligram. And what unit is in what unit is resistance measured? So it is ohm. So the unit of resistance is ohm. And algebra is a branch of what field of study? So algebra belongs to mathematics. And what does a barometer measure? So the function of barometer is to measure pressure. And what type of switch allows you to reset the electric circuit? So the option is circuit breaker. And what type of lens has a thin middle and makes objects appear smaller? So it is concave lens. And what is the smallest possible unit of data a computer can understand and process? So the smallest unit of data in a computer is bit. And what type of frequencies do bats used for their radar? So it is ultrasonic. And what tool uses magnetic needles that points north? So for this purpose use compass. And how many zeros are there in a million? So there are total 6 zero in a million, and 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So it's all for today. Subscribe. Don't times. Thank you. God bless you all.